In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix unexpected error on Twitch app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, if you can't use your Twitch or log into your account because you are getting this error, unexpected error, then most likely Twitch might have experienced a glitch that you need to fix. To do this is quite simple, just follow these steps. First, you need to go to your phone and look for settings option. From settings, scroll down to apps. And under apps, look for this option called manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Twitch, and if you tap on it, you will be taken to Twitch app info page. From this app info, go to force stop app and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache and final OK, and then clear all data. Then to start your smartphone, and now you should be able to use your Twitch app without any issue. But should you still get this error, then check and then see that you're not using any VPN app. If you have any VPN turned on, turn it off to use this app to fix this error. This also applies if you have any recently installed security app. It might be causing this error. However, should this not work, then try and see if you have any update for your app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store on your phone and search for your Twitch app and update it to the latest version. Once done, now open your app and it should be working without any issue. However, if you still can't use your app because of this unexpected error, then try and use any browser to log in your Twitch account and see if you'll be able to stream using the web-based version. If you experience the same, then most likely Twitch might have experienced an internal error. For that, you need to wait after some few minutes. Now, if you come back to Twitch, you should now be able to log into your account and live stream as you wish. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, please comment below. Otherwise, let's meet in the next video.